If you're using an iPhone 17, the built-in Preview app lets you export PDFs and images into different file formats. You can also compress the file to save storage space or make sharing easier. Here's how to export PDFs and images using Preview on the iPhone 17 series. First, open the Preview app on your iPhone. Browse through your files and tap the PDF or image you want to export. Once the file is open, tap the drop-down arrow or Actions menu next to the file name. From the available options, tap Export. Next, choose your preferred file format such as HEIC, JPEG, PDF, PNG, or TIFF. Each format has a different file size and quality level, so pick the one that best suits your needs. If you want to reduce or adjust the file size, use the slider to compress the file by dragging it left or right. When you're done, tap the blue check icon at the top right corner. Choose the folder or location where you want to save the exported file, then tap Save. Once saved, you can immediately share or send the exported file using your preferred iOS sharing method. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our other videos to learn more useful features of your new iPhone 17 smartphone. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.